Hi guys, my name is Walter Mbita and welcome to Sun TV. Today we have a special guest here from Shofco Health Department, Caroline Asitiba. And today we just want to talk about the award that the department won last time. So, hey, welcome Carol, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How are you feeling like?
I can say I am so excited. Yeah.
Already though, it's chilling, huh?
Yeah, it's chilling,
Yeah.
but it's a happy day.
It's a happy day.
Yeah.
So kindly introduce yourself. Who is Caroline Asitiba?
Yeah. I'm Caroline Asitiba. You asked who? I am Caroline Asitiba, a clinical officer by profession, as well as the deputy health manager for the Kibera program, health program. Caroline is somehow an introverted, but at times extroverted with the people around her, and basically I'll just let it at that, so that I let you have it at that.
How was it like? How did you feel bringing the word to another clinic? How was it like to you?
I would say bringing this award to the to Shofco as a whole was a big thing, because the whole process started last year in April 2020. A group of us, we do quality improvement in our clinic. So it's part of what we should do as a health facility, quality assurance, quality improvement. So as a team, we sat down, and there was this out there, they were asking for applications. So we sat down, a team of around 11 people, and worked on our submission. So we submitted by April last year, and then we told ourselves, no, let's pray and maybe put out our project out there and let's see what happens. Basically, they usually announce it in December, but this time around it's changed, and they decided to announce it in April 7th, which is the health day.
Yeah.
So I would say we were sitting on needles and waiting, and we were like, we are competing against. When they announced the 3 finalists in March, my team was like, oh my goodness, these people do well. I am hoping we do better than them. And then the assessment came, we were so stressed out, we were almost like, do you think we really managed this? And then April 7th arrived at around 2 p.m. We were there in our pediatric waiting bay watching the big screen. As we were watching, we were like, let's cross fingers and wait. I really need us to pass this thing. And then there it was, they said Shofco. I think the first thing the whole clinic screamed.
Wow.
We were like,
it was
yes,
a big moment.
Yeah, it was a big moment, competing against very, very effective institutions. They are well versed, well known. You are like, yes, we put Shofco in Kenya's map, and this should be known to everyone.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was such an amazing moment for you guys.
Yeah.
What do you think? Will the word bring an impact on the organization?
This award actually shows that we are able to make the people around Kibera access health with no prejudice. We are giving them the quality they would ever get in another place, in any other big hospital. We are giving them access so that they are able to come and get this medication and everything at very low cost. And this helps us to make Kibera people healthy at the end of the day. And that is one of our missions as Shofco Health, which is more giving quality to everyone at equal level. We're also following the sustainable development goals. They say equality. What does that mean? It doesn't mean that when you come here, you're from Kibera, we'll give you very little, and then when you come from another place, we give you the very best. No, we are giving Kibera people the very best, as well as Madare people.
Wow, so interesting and amazing, encouraging.
Yeah.
And so, like, if not the medics, sometimes during your free time, what do you do as Carol?
Caroline is a Netflix and chill person.
Really?
Like I said, I'm an introvert, so I get going out to social life is a bit hectic and too much for me. So I'm kind of the person who chills at home. Yeah, so popcorns are part of me.
Me too, I really like popcorn.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So Netflix and chill is basically Caroline, and maybe trying and finding out. I am also a philanthropic. We do community service to various people with some of my primary school classmates. We do community service. We go out to children's home, spend a day with them, we go out to other places that have people with disabilities, spend a day with them. So that's part of me. Yeah.
Let's say if you couldn't venture into medicine, what field would you have taken?
Funny story, I was never called in a medical school. I was to join KU for accounting. Then my parent was like, we need a medic in this family, let's do this. And then I'm like, what's wrong with this parent? Okay, Caroline, let's go to school. I did my college, finished it up, then I'm like, I feel this is so nice. At the end of it all, when I went for my internship, I get to see sick people, talk to them, treat them, go back home. Then someone texts me back and tells me, thank you, I got better. I was like, that's so fulfilling. I feel so nice. I thank God for my parents that they really pushed me towards that direction. Otherwise, I would be an accountant.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
I think I could have been a DJ.
Wow.
But it's still the same industry field. Like,
Yeah.
Entertainment.
Yeah.
Yeah. So moving forward, you have been here in Shofco for how many years, by the way?
5 years.
5 years.
5, 6.
How is that like? You may say so far being in Shofco 5 years.
When I joined Shofco, I was a normal clinical officer. So I would say in Shofco, I've grown to be a leader. I have known how to handle people, and I think it has molded my kind of leadership style. I am more of a leader who likes people who participate. I do not do authoritative leadership. I find it that hard. I find someone who I can delegate work and will tell you, this is you. Now, let's go. Let's see what you can do. If you get any hurdles, I'm there to assist. When I would say when I came to Shofco, it's the first time I was stepping into a slum. And I was telling myself, I don't know how this will go, but God, hold my hand, please. I came, I did my interviews, got called. We were about a group of 40 people who joined that time. We were a very huge number. And I would say I did what I did, and I saw people appreciate me in weird ways. I was like, I am so happy these people are so happy. Yeah. So the mere fact they were happy, it made me more passionate, and I was like, for real, God, you knew I didn't do accounting.
Wow.
I would be a very mean accountant.
Yeah, definitely.
But now since I have been able to interact with people and I'm seeing the impact that I am having on them and Shofco as well as an organization, I was like, wow, I really need to keep doing it.
Perfect. We are very optimistic that still we're going to have more awards just to stream in, like the one that you guys just won.
Yes. I would say we'll keep defending it because actually this is our second time like we are taking the award. The first time was in 2019 where we won some categories like primary care. We were position 1. So this time round it came up with an award. So we were like, yay! This is so good for us. Yeah. Amazing. And I hope everyone out there get to see what we do as Shofco and they can be able to come and partner with us and make us even stronger.
Maybe a 10-year-old who's probably gonna watch this particular interview. What advice can you give to the person, to 12-year-old who's gonna watch this particular interview?
So to a 10 or 12-year-old, I would say the only thing is a push. What you need is a push and work hard. If you miss this opportunity, maybe at high school, and you find yourself going lower than you expected in your grades, it does not mean it's the end of it. You can as well start small. You realize a clinical officer can always upgrade to a medical officer at one point. So you can as well go back to school, do the clinical officer stuff, and then maybe one day, one time when you're good and well enough, you can as well upgrade and do specialize, and at the end of the day you'll specialize in something very beautiful.
So is there anything that probably you want to add on top of what we have just discussed?
I really love the teamwork at Shofco.
Wow, that's so nice.
Yeah, perfect. So I want to thank everyone. The award is for the health department, yes, but everyone had a role to play in it. Everyone in Shofco was a participatory in this award, and we would want to say thank you and thank you as well to the health team for making it true.
Wow, perfect. Thank you so much. So, I mean, I've really learned a lot from you, and you really inspired me this morning.
I'm Caroline Asitiba.
I'm Walter Mbita.
And you're watching Sun TV.